Before, after. What? Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out trim serum. And I'm just going to apply this trim serum to this tire. And if it works out the way I'm hoping, I'll have to do all 4 tires, or the other 3 at least. What's really cool about this trim serum is that it is a UV blocker as well. So if these tires last a long time, they will prevent cracking around the outside edge. So we're going to apply this now and see how well it works. Now I'm looking extremely forward to it because these are rubber, and trim serum is like perfect for plastics and rubbers. That's what it does, it revives it. So without further ado, let's get started. Before, after. What? So guys, as you can see, this is a conclusion. This is later in the day. It's still rocking and rolling, the same as it was before. In 9 o'clock in the morning when I first did it, hasn't faded away at all. So the conclusion that we can definitely confirm that trim serum kicks a major butt. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. JoeteckTip recommends this. I'm giving it obviously the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. It's amazing. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.